everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use a leaf blower. In this simple tutorial, I will be going over the easy steps for using a leaf blower just like this one. Let's get right into the video. Now, your leaf blower might not look like this one, but it's probably going to operate in a very similar manner. So let's get right into it. The first step is to connect your leaf blower to a power source. In this case, I have a battery-operated leaf blower. So I'm going to take the battery and I'm going to insert the battery just like that, okay? You might have an electrical operated leaf blower that plugs into an extension cord. So plug in your extension cord, okay? Or you might have a gas-powered leaf blower. If you have a gas-powered leaf blower, you're going to start that baby up. All right, so when your leaf blower has been started, or when you have your power source connected, what you want to do is you want to figure out how to turn it on and turn up the power, and whether or not it has a variable speed control. In this case, this doesn't have a variable speed control, okay? It just has a switch. To turn it on, I simply flip the switch, and I flip it the other way to turn it off. It's conveniently located right here, so I can use my thumb to turn it on and then my other finger to turn it off, just like that, okay? If your leaf blower has a variable speed control, you might have a lever, okay? You might have a lever over here, or even a lever if it's a backpack style, okay? And the more you push the lever, the more power that you're gonna get from the leaf blower. So you're gonna wanna turn it on. Now let's get to how to actually use it effectively, because I've seen people leaf blow like this. They're not doing anything. They're not blowing any leaves, okay? I'm going to show you how to do it effectively. Look at your leaf blower. You want to see if it has a straight nozzle or if it has an angled nozzle. A straight nozzle would just be a nice straight, could be significantly larger too, depending on how powerful your leaf blower is. Like the backpack style leaf blowers that professional landscapers use and lawn maintenance people use are crazy powerful, and their outlets are way bigger. But if you have a straight nozzle, it's just going to be straight, right? But if you have an angled nozzle like this, you can see at the end it angles up. Now the reason they do this is so that you don't have to go on as much of an angle, right? You essentially want to be leaf blowing almost parallel to the ground. You want the air to be not like this. This would be completely parallel. You want the air to be like this, because if the air is like this, it's going to take those leaves and it's going to push them while simultaneously lifting them so they can be moved along the grass. So if I hold my leaf blower like this, the air is going upwards. That's not what I want. So my angle's got to be something like this. If I hold my leaf blower like this, you can see the airflow would be going like this. It would be pushing the leaves upwards. So I'm going to angle it like that, and I would use it like that. Give me one more minute, because there's another crucial piece of advice. I would use it at this angle, a little bit lower to the ground. So you don't want to be on the ground, but you want to be close to the ground. So something like this. That's the angle that I'm using it roughly at, but my hand is not going to be like this. That would be very painful in the long run, very tiresome. Something like this. Now, when you're leaf blowing, what you don't want to do is hold it in one spot. You want to do one of two motions, okay? The first motion is side to side, like this, okay? Side to side, slowly, will clear an entire area, okay? The second motion is if you have a heavy set of substances, like let's say heavy leaves or heavy grass clippings, mixing up my words there. If that's the case, then you want to go upwards, because you're going to be lifting them. You're trying to separate them so they're easier to blow. So if I encounter something heavy, I'm going upwards like this, right? And then once they separate and they're lighter, I'm going back and forth. I'll give you an example right now. Check this out. This is roughly the speed that you should be moving your leaf blower at, okay? I'm going to cover my nose because I'm in the garage, there's all dust on the floor. I don't want to breathe in too much of it, okay? Let's go. Now you'll notice one thing. Am I going like this? Nope. Just a wrist movement. If you go like this, you're going to be tired by the end of your front lawn. You won't even get to hit up your back lawn, okay? Your rear lawn. By moving just your wrist, you're keeping your muscle tension to the minimum, which allows you to essentially leaf blow everything while still not wearing out your forearms, okay? I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna mow my whole lawn today, trim the hedges and leaf blow, and then I'm gonna go for a 10K run after because I'm trying to trim up a little bit. Okay? You want to be able to do that. If you're exhausted by the time that you're done your lawn, then you're probably overworking your muscles. You have to work smart and hard, but it's definitely smart so you're not using your muscles, especially when it comes to using a leaf blower, right? You want to do it in a smart way. And it's advisable to get yourself a leaf blower that is relatively lightweight for the power that it offers. This has a crazy amount of power, and it's extremely lightweight. And I'm even using the larger style battery right now. If I was using one of my smaller batteries that I have, it would be even lighter, right? It's so lightweight, so I don't get any muscle tension or pain when I'm using it. And that's it. In this video, I've shown you how to use a leaf blower. It has been a simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.